Today I stand before you not as Superman, the mighty protector, but as a voice of peace and harmony. Throughout my existence, I have witnessed both the boundless beauty of humanity's potential and the shadows that threaten it. It is my solemn duty to guide you towards a path of unity, understanding, and the unwavering defense of your loved ones, no matter the cost. In a world often marred by division and conflict, the pursuit of peace may seem like an elusive dream. Yet it is a dream worth fighting for, a vision that can only be realized through collective efforts and unwavering determination. Peace isn't simply the absence of war, it is a state of being where compassion and empathy reign, where understanding bridges the gaps between us. Harmony, my friends, is the symphony of diverse minds coming together to create a better world. It is the acceptance of differences, the celebration of uniqueness, and the realization that our strength lies not in our might, but in our ability to stand as one. It's a melody that can drown out the dissonance of hatred and prejudice, if only we lend our voices to its chorus. But let us not forget the importance of defending those we hold dear. Love is a powerful force, one that empowers us to stand against even the darkest of adversities. The bonds we share with our loved ones are sacred, and it is our duty to shield them from harm's way. A parent's embrace, a friend's laughter, a partner's touch. These are the treasures that give life its meaning. I implore you, do not be passive observers in the theater of life. Embrace the ideals of justice and stand against injustice. Lift your voices against oppression and extend your hand to those in need. For the power to defend your loved ones resides not only in extraordinary abilities, but within your hearts, the wellspring of courage that can overcome any obstacle. Remember, my friends, that each of you possesses an inner hero, capable of great acts of love and sacrifice. It is this hero within you that can pave the way towards a world of peace and harmony, a world where the indomitable spirit of humanity shines brightest. Let it guide your actions, let it inspire your choices, and let it bind you together as a force for good. As I leave you today, I urge you to strive for peace and harmony, and to defend your loved ones with unwavering determination. Let your actions be a testament to the strength of the human spirit, and may your lives resonate with the symphony of unity that echoes through the ages. Thank you, and may peace always be your guiding light.